Now we are going to discuss about intelligence. Okay, intelligence is a sixth unit in psychology subject. Okay, in this what is meant by intelligence? Regarding that we are going to discuss. Okay, intelligence is a one of the mental capacity of the individual. Okay, the capacity of the individual. In this the individual should be able to give a reason well. Okay, they are doing some work. Okay, why they are doing, what is the reason? Okay, they are able to give correct reason that particular work. Okay, reason well, and they are judge well. Okay, once they are doing one objective or one work or in a particular critical situation, they are able to give judgment well. Okay, in critical situations two members are doing some mistakes, means in that critical situations we are able to give judgment. Okay, judgment is good and reason is good, and they give some self-critical. Okay, they are having some critical situation, also they are having self-confidence. Okay, in critical situations also they are having self-confidence, and they are having some types of good capacity on each and every situation. Okay, they are able to give good reason, they are able to give good judgment, and they are able to give correct critical reason. Okay, this one we are called as the intelligence. ఓకే, ఇన్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ అంటే తెలివితేటలు. ఓకే, ఒక పని మనం చేస్తున్నాము అని అంటే దాని యొక్క ఫలితం ఏంటి, లేదా కారణాలు ఏంటి, ఎందుకు చేస్తున్నావు. ఓకే, లేదా ఒక ఇద్దరు వ్యక్తుల మధ్య బలంగా ఉంది ఒక దాని గురించి, లేదా టూ మెంబర్స్ ఆర్ దే ఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఆన్ పర్టికులర్ సిచ్యువేషన్. ఓకే, ఇన్ దట్ పర్టికులర్ సిచ్యువేషన్ we are going to give judgment well. ఓకే, we are satisfying both. ఓకే, ఇద్దరిని సమానంగా సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తూ మనం జడ్జిమెంట్ ఇవ్వాలి. ఓకే, ఎవరికి హర్ట్ చేయకుండా తెలివిగా సమాధానం చెప్పగలగాలి. ఓకే, ఏదైనా కొన్ని ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆర్ సమ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇస్ దేర్ ఇన్ ఫ్రంట్ ఆఫ్ మీ ఆర్ ఇన్ ఫ్రంట్ ఆఫ్ ఇండివిజువల్స్, మీన్స్ ద ఇండివిజువల్స్ ఈజ్ ఏబుల్ టు గివ్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ ఆన్సర్. ఓకే, తెలివిగా సమాధానం ఇవ్వడం వల్ల దాని నుంచి ఆ సిచ్యువేషన్ నుంచి ఎస్కేప్ అవ్వచ్చు, లేదా ఆ సిచ్యువేషన్ నుంచి సాటిస్ఫై అవ్వచ్చు. ఓకే, అటువంటి దాన్ని ద కెపాసిటీ ఆఫ్ ఇండివిజువల్ ఈజ్ హౌ టు గివ్ రీజన్, హౌ టు గివ్ జడ్జ్మెంట్, హౌ టు గివ్ సమ్ సాటిస్ఫాక్షన్ ఆన్ ఏ పర్టికులర్ క్రిటికల్ సిచ్యువేషన్. దట్ వన్ we are called as the intelligence capacity of an individual. Okay, this definition is given by the Alfred Binet. Okay, next we are going to discuss about meaning of intelligence. Okay, what is the meaning of intelligence? Means in this they are having some intelligence having some meaning. Okay, what you are doing, why you are doing, how you are doing. Okay, what you don't know. Okay, how much you don't know, or sometimes what to do. ఓకే, నువ్వేం చేయాలనుకుంటున్నావు, నీకేం తెలీదు, నువ్వేం చేస్తున్నావు, నువ్వేం చేయబోతున్నావు. ఓకే, రిగార్డింగ్ దీస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ we are called as the intelligence. ఓకే, I am going to do, I have to do. ఓకే, I want to do, నేను చేయాలనుకుంటున్నా, నేను చేయబోతున్నా, నేను చేస్తాను, నేను చేయగలను. ఓకే, రిగార్డింగ్ దీస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ షుడ్ బి ఫుల్ఫిల్డ్ బై సమ్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ కెపాసిటీ. నేను చేస్తాను అన్నావు అని అంటే నీలో ఎలాంటి తెలివితేటలు ఉన్నాయి. ఓకే, తెలివిగా ఎలా చేయబోతున్నావు, ఎలా చేస్తావు. ఓకే, దట్ వన్ we are called as the intelligence. Next, another one, that is the individual differentiates in the intelligence. Okay, each and every individual having different types of intelligence. అందరికీ ఒకే రకమైన తెలివితేటలు ఉంటాయా? నో, ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ ఇండివిజువల్ హ్యావింగ్ డిఫరెంట్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్. ఓకే, వాళ్ళ యొక్క తెలివితేటలు అనేవి డిఫరెంట్గా ఉంటుంది, అందరికీ ఒకే రకమైన తెలివితేటలనే ఉండవు. ఓకే, ఇన్ దిస్ హెరిడిటరీ, okay, through the genes okay, in the family members or through the genes or parents, grandparents, okay, they are having good intelligence capacity, means their offsprings also, their third generation people also having good intelligence capacity. Okay, if they are not having good intelligence, means their offsprings also may be prone to get some dullness in the intelligence. Okay, low mental capacity will be there due to the genes. ఓకే, వంశపారపర్యంగా వాళ్ళ యొక్క వంశంలో అందరికీ తెలివితేటలు ఉన్నాయి అని అంటే నెక్స్ట్ జనరేషన్ వాళ్ళకు కూడా మంచి తెలివితేటలు ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, వాళ్ళ ఫ్యామిలీలో ఆ యొక్క థర్డ్ జనరేషన్ ఆర్ ఫస్ట్ జనరేషన్, సెకండ్ జనరేషన్ పీపుల్కి సరి అయినటువంటి తెలివితేటలు లేవు అని అంటే మేబీ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద కాజ్ ఫర్ లో ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ కెపాసిటీ ఆఫ్ అన్ ఇండివిజువల్స్, దట్ ఈస్ ద జీన్స్. Okay, through the genes or through the chromosomal abnormality, the individuals may be get low intelligence or high intelligence. Okay, hereditary also one of the reason for the intelligence differentiate in individuals. Okay, next another one, that is the age. Okay, all age people are not having equal intelligence capacity, or sometimes less age people also having high quality of intelligence capacity, or sometimes high age people also having low intelligence capacity. Okay, particular age is there on individuals, means all are not having good intelligence capacity. Like that we are not telling. అంటే ఒకే వయసు ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి ఎక్కువ తెలివితేటలు ఉంటాయి అని చెప్పలేము, ఆ తెలివితేటలు ఉండవు అని చెప్పలేము. ఓకే, డిపెండింగ్ అపాన్ దేర్ ఏజ్ గ్రూప్, డిపెండింగ్ అపాన్ దేర్ ఫ్యామిలీ, ఆర్ డిపెండింగ్ అపాన్ దేర్ ఫిజికల్ హెల్త్. ఓకే, ద ఇండివిజువల్స్ హ్యావింగ్ different or differentiate in their intelligence capacity. Okay, next another one, that is the gender. Okay, females or males. Okay, in females are having, some females are having good intelligence capacity. Okay, some males having the good intelligence capacity, or some females having less intelligence capacity, or some females having less intelligence capacity. Okay, depending upon their living nature, depending upon their genes, depending upon their age group, and depending upon their surroundings. Okay, how they are learn, or how they are having which type of friends or which type of people they are able to communicate. Okay, depends upon their surroundings, depends upon their age group, depends upon their gender. Okay, the people are having different types of intelligence capacity. Okay, next another one, that is the physical health or physica. Okay, for physical health, structurally, functionally, all systems, all organs are healthy. Okay, the organs not having any diseases or defects. Okay, they are not having any physical defects like mental illness or sometimes some diseases. Okay, they are not having, means they are having, they maybe have good intelligence capacity. Okay, sometimes physical defects is there in the children's or in individuals, means they are having good intelligence. అంటే శారీరకంగా లోపం ఉన్నా కానీ వాళ్ళకి తెలివితేటలు ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, సమ్ టైమ్స్ ఎటువంటి శారీరక లోపాలు లేకపోయినా తెలివితేటలు ఉండకపోవచ్చు. మీన్స్ ద డిఫరెన్షియేట్ విల్ బి దేర్ ఫర్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ ఇండివిజువల్స్. సమ్ టైమ్స్ ఫిజికల్లీ హెల్దీ మీన్స్ they are having good intelligence. Sometimes physically unhealthy also they are having good intelligence. Why? Because physically unhealthy but mentally healthy. Okay, this is the differentiate. Next another one, that is the environmental factors. Okay, in environmental factors, that environment will be favorable, comfortable. Okay, in environment all individuals are having good intelligence capacity. Okay, the individuals should be observing them and following them. They are taking role model. Why? Because these are the good intelligence capacity persons, we are following them. Okay, like that the person should be changing their lifestyle through the environment. Next another one, that is the cultural differentiate. Okay, depending upon their culture, depending upon their cultural status. Okay, they are following all or equal culture, means they are having less or more. Okay, sometimes depends upon their culture, they are having a high intelligence or low intelligence. Okay, these are the nature of intelligence. Next another one, that is the mental ability. Okay, in this mental ability, what is that means? Here it is the mental ability consists of mental adapt to new or changed situations. Okay, in new situations the persons are satisfying or problems is there in new situations, means they are able to proceed that new environment also. They are able to adjust, depends upon their intelligence capacity. Okay, they are having good intelligence, means they are also adjust that new environment or new situation or new problem. Okay, next another one, that is the nature of intelligence. In this environmental factors is there, or new new situations or accurate information, or sometimes they are adopting some opportunity responses. Okay, in this opportunities is there, means in that also they are giving good response through the intelligence capacity of the individuals. Okay, next another one, that is the development of behavior. Okay, how the people should be development their intelligence behavior. Okay, in this first one, that is the some theories is there. In this unitary theory and anarchic theory, another one is the elliptic theory, another one is the multi-factor theory, another one is the J.P. Guilford theory. In this first theory, that is the unitary theory. Okay, in this unitary theory, the individuals or the persons having a full concentrate on one object. Okay, another object they are not having a full interest, and they are doing hard work on only one object. Okay, they are get good result. Okay, in another object they are having less interest, unfavorable condition, they are doing hard work but they are not get good result. For example, one person, okay, one student we are taking. Okay, the student is having a good interest, good concentrate, they are solving in each and every problem which is there in the mathematics. Okay, they are perfect in maths, but they are dull in civics. Why? Because they are liking, they are having good interest, good attention on mathematics. Okay, they are having less interest, they are having some unfavorable conditions in civics. That's why they are getting dullness in civics. Okay, this theory is depends upon the unitary theory. Okay, next another one, that is the anarchic theory. Okay, in this anarchic theory, the psychologist should be differentiate, depends upon the verbal capacity of the individual. Okay, how they are communicate, what is they are using their words, they are using polite nature, or they are having some clarity pronunciation on words. Okay, depends upon the verbal communication, the psychologist should be differentiate. Next another one is the task. Some multiple task is there. Okay, how they are performing. Okay, they are performing good or bad. Okay, next another one, that is the numerical calculation. Okay, they are having good performance in the numerical calculation or less performance in the numerical calculation. Depends upon that the person intelligence capacity should be differentiate. Okay, next another one, that is the work. They are doing work perfectly, or sometimes they are unable to do perfect work. Sometimes they are having some full information. Okay, some story is there. Okay, in that story we are giving some general to specific. Okay, they are able to differentiate that information should be, this is the general objective, this is the specific objective, like that they are able to differentiate or not. Okay, this one is belongs to the anarchic theory. Okay, sometimes they are having a generalized result, or sometimes accurate, or sometimes problem solving technique. Okay, one problem is there in front of individuals. Okay, the problem should be solving by their intelligence capacity, or they are different, depends upon the another person. ఓకే, వాళ్ళకి ఏదైనా ఒక సమస్య వచ్చిందంటే ఆ సమస్యని వాళ్ళంతటా వాళ్ళు దాన్ని సాల్వ్ చేసుకుంటున్నారా, లేదా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వచ్చినప్పుడల్లా వేరే వాళ్ళపైన ఆధారపడి ఉంటున్నారా. ఓకే, డిపెండ్స్ అపాన్ దేర్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ కెపాసిటీ ద సైకాలజిస్ట్ షుడ్ బి డిఫరెన్షియేట్. Okay, next another one is the elliptic theory. Okay, in this elliptic theory, two factors will be there. Okay, in the two factors, how their performance. Okay, one factor should be good performance, another factor should be less performance, or in two factors both performance should be perfectness. ఓకే, ఎలా ఉంది రెండు సబ్జెక్ట్స్లలో పర్ఫెక్ట్గా పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ ఇస్తున్నారా లేదా, ఓన్లీ ఒక సబ్జెక్ట్లో ఇచ్చి ఒక సబ్జెక్ట్లో ఇవ్వలేకపోతున్నారా లేదా, రెండిట్లలో పర్ఫెక్ట్ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ లేదు, ఎలా ఉంది? Okay, depends upon their intelligence capacity of the individual. This two performance is there or two factors is there. Okay, that intelligence task. Okay, the person is able to give that intelligence answer or not. Okay, next another one, that is the multi-factor theory. Okay, in this multi-factor theory, so many factors is there. Okay, in that so many factors, one is successful in one area. Okay, in another area their inability to success. Okay, in multiple task is there, in multiple performance is there. Okay, in that one area one performance should be good. Okay, in another area another performance should be bad. Okay, depending upon the intelligence capacity is good or bad or average or less, like that we are differentiate. Okay, next another one, that is the J.P. Guilford theory. Okay, in that J.P. Guilford theory, here having three dimensions, that is the operation dimension, another one is the content dimension, another one is the product dimension. Okay, in this operation dimension the individual should be ability to understand that particular situation or not. Okay, depends upon their understanding nature. Okay, next another one, depends upon their memory. Okay, they are having good memory or less memory or recent memory, recall memory. Okay, how is it? Next another one, that is the evaluation. Okay, the individual should be evaluating them. Okay, once we are performance in exams means we are evaluating. Okay, out of 25 marks how many marks we are got? Okay, out of 25 we got 9 marks means poor performance. Okay, sometimes we have we got 25 out of 25 we got 20 marks means okay, somewhat better. Like that we are evaluate and we are improving our intelligence capacity. Okay, that one we are called as the operation dimension. Okay, next another one, that is the content dimension. In this content dimension the psychologist should be give some intelligence depends upon the communication and thinking capacity of the individual and behavior of the individual. Okay, they are having good communication, they are having good thinking capacity and they are having good behavior, then only they are give the persons are having good intelligence capacity. Okay, if they are failure in this communication or evaluation or performance or sometimes thinking or sometimes behavior, okay, they are having less intelligence capacity. Next another one, that is the product dimension. In this product dimension we are taking some unit or sometimes in classroom or sometimes in a relationship or sometimes in system or in sometimes in a transformation. Okay, how is the performance of the individual? Okay, these are the points is there under the J.P. Guilford theory regarding intelligence.